Preambles of the 1987 Philippines Constitution. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and human society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace to ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Article 2, Section 3. Civilian authority is, at all time, supreme over the military. The armed forces of the Philippines is the protector of the people and the states. Its goal is to secure the sovereignty of the people national territory. Article 4, Section 1. Full faith and credit shall be given in each state to the public act, records, and judicial proceeding of the every state. And the Congress may by general laws prescribe the manner in which such act, record, and proceedings shall be proved and the effect thereof.